In the flooded north, Sebe and her sister stake their claim. The perfect team. The abundance of food means their cubs are growing fast. For Sebe, forced to give up her family once before, it's a second chance at happiness. Sebe's heart pounds. Terrified, he could kill her cubs, or force her to give up her family once more. But as he draws near, Sebe recognizes him. It's the father of her cubs. She leaves her sister to babysit and greets the weary traveler. He seems calmer now, more mature, more regal. She'll let him stay, but she doesn't have time to flirt all day. She has an empire to build.